If you want to learn how to start a YouTube channel with your mobile phone in 2020, watch till the end of this video, okay? Hi guys, welcome back to Tilt the Nations. If this is your first time here, my name is Ugone Ann Okonkwo. I am a wife and an ESL teacher living in China right now, and I'm just sharing my journey with you guys, and I'm hoping that you will pick a few things that will inspire you to go turn the world around you the right side up. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about some tools that you will need if you want to start a YouTube channel in 2020 with your mobile phone. Currently, I use my mobile phone to make my YouTube videos, and it's been a learning curve, guys. But it's been fun, and I put out a post on my Instagram. If people are interested, I wanted to know if people are interested to learn about how to use your mobile phone to create YouTube videos. And of course, a few people indicated interest, and I thought, why don't I dedicate the month of March to my YouTube strategies and just sharing with you guys the few things that I have picked up in the past 6 months of being a YouTuber. Today will be the first of at least 4 or 5 videos that I will be making concerning YouTube in this month of March. Every Saturday evening in this month of March, I'll be posting a video concerning my YouTube strategies, the things that I've learned, what mistakes I've made, and the tools that have helped me so far. So you guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe already. If you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram so that you can ask your questions and the things that you would like to learn. I am definitely here to help you. If you ask me, in my own opinion, I think everyone should start a YouTube channel, because honestly, YouTube or video creation and video content is the highest form of engagement. If you're someone that want to build a following or have some kind of influence, it is imperative that you have some kind of video content that you're putting out there. It could be on Instagram, it could be on Facebook, or it could be YouTube here. So I'm making this video to just tell you that you actually have everything you need to start. At the end of this video, you would know at least a few tools that you need that would just help you to start your YouTube channel. So the first one is editing. To edit with your mobile phone, there are a good number of apps out there that will be very, very useful for you, but I use InShot. I've tried Filmora, KineMaster or KineMaster, Splice. If you see my previous videos, you will see that I have tried a number of apps out there to help me with YouTube video editing on my mobile phone. And as soon as I found InShot, I knew that was the app that I should use because it was just perfect. So you can try InShot, of course, Splice, Filmora Go, iMovie for those that use iPhone, Viva Video, and a lot more apps that you can definitely check out. If you would like a video about how I edit with InShot, let me know in the comment section, because you guys, it's what you want that I will create videos about, because I'm here to serve, basically. So if you are interested in knowing my process, any part of YouTube creation that you would like to learn more about, I wouldn't mind sharing at all. So let me know in the comment section, okay? Number 2 is thumbnails. For thumbnails, I use Canva, but I've tried Fonto, I've tried Snapseed, I've not tried Thumbnail Maker, but I've seen that a lot of people use it. And quick tip, please, if you use Thumbnail Maker, try as much as possible to remove the logo on your thumbnails. It kind of looks a little bit amateur. There are a ton of apps out there that you can use, but my favorite definitely is Canva. I started using Canva as a blogger. Shout out to Rina who introduced me to Canva. And guys, I love that app. It is like so cool. You can do a ton of things with Canva. Trust me. So try Canva out. If you would like to see how I make my thumbnails, with the Canva app? Let me know in the comment section. The third one will be lighting. Guys, lighting is very important with YouTube, but you don't have to start investing in elaborate things as a beginner. You can start with using natural light. Try and shoot your videos during the day so that you can use a natural light. I'm using a ring light right now. It's very, very affordable. You can try and get a simple, small ring light to start with. There are definitely other kinds of lighting that you can use. You can use studio lights like the softbox light. You can use those umbrella kind of lights. There are so many lighting equipments out there that you can use. But as a beginner, I would not advise that you start investing in a lot of equipment. Just start with what you have. If you don't have a ring light, shoot in front of a window. It's really that simple. Just set up your shooting in front of a window or just close to a source of light, and it will be very good for you as a beginner. So the next thing you need is stands or tripods. To shoot a good video, you need something to put your mobile phone on and just position it to shoot. Now, as a beginner or someone that just started out, you may not really have a tripod. So you can try using a selfie stick, a box, or a carton, or even a pile of books. Trust me, I've tried using all this stuff and they worked until I was able to buy a tripod. So you really don't have any excuse. Just bring that box down or put those books together and position your phone and start shooting. As soon as you're ready to shoot, please, these few tips and tricks are very important. Number one, don't shoot a vertical video. Oh my God, it's such a rookie mistake. Please don't shoot vertical videos. When you shoot your videos in vertical mode, you will have those black, ugly boxes that you're seeing right now. That is so not cool. So please try as much as possible to turn your camera or your phone to the landscape mode or horizontally so that you can be able to shoot better videos. Shoot your videos in landscape mode. That way you can have content that you can upload on YouTube or even on other video platforms. Number two, use the back camera. Believe me, if you look at this video that I'm pointing at right now, you will see that in that video, the quality is a little bit less than this one because I was using my front camera. The selfie camera can be really good, quite all right, but I think that the back camera is actually of better quality than a front camera. So try and use your back camera. And honestly, it helps you get better at shooting videos because you're looking straight into the camera instead of looking at yourself if it was a selfie camera. So try and use your back camera. They are of better quality. Number three, learn your camera settings. See, mobile phones are very powerful right now, and you can use it to shoot really good quality videos. You really actually need to learn your mobile phone settings. See, my phone is I don't have a wonderful phone. It's just a regular Chinese Android phone. And it's been doing a good job for me because I was able to learn a few things like the exposure. I know how to lock the exposure. I think I can show you guys that. I'm not quite sure now, but I think I can show you guys if you're interested. Maybe I can show you guys how to lock your phone exposure, the settings. Look at your camera settings. Most of the camera settings in our mobile phones right now can shoot 1080p. Believe me, they can shoot very good quality videos. You just need to learn your way around it. So look at your camera settings and see what you need to know and put it right, set it right so that you can start shooting videos as soon as possible. And last but not the least is the YouTube Studio. You need to download the YouTube Studio app on your phone. As soon as you download that, it is very quick and easy for you to just upload your videos through the YouTube studio. Very, very easy. That's where you put all your descriptions and all the tags and everything basically that you need to do in the YouTube app. You would need the YouTube studio to do that. So please download that app if you want to start your YouTube channel. I hope you guys find this video very useful. If you did, let me know in the comment section. What did you learn? What were the things that you found very useful? By next week, Saturday, I'll be posting another video on what you need to do to get your first 100 subscribers faster. Because guys, I made stupid mistakes, trust me. So stay tuned to this channel. If you haven't subscribed already, click that button. Put on your notification bell so that you will be notified as soon as I put out a new content, okay? Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.